Alright, so it's Saturday again. This time it's very cloudy. Today is super duper cloudy and it looks like it's going to rain. But I have decided that this car needs to go back on jack stands because we only put the engine in there. So I'm going to have to struggle to put the transmission or the gearbox onto the car. But the car does look good. Oh my god. KF. So this is my BMW project so far. Cut to the cinematics.
What are you doing?
What next? Well, now that the engine is in, I'm gonna try to see if we can get the car jacked up in the air so that we can put the gearbox in. Oh shit. So I put the jack stand here. Yeah, that's fine. When you check out this side, yeah, we have no jacking point here. So I'm adjust, and unfortunately this car does need to go higher, as in this is still too low. I have to get underneath this car. Alright, let me put the camera down. This is getting serious. I'm sweating.
What are you doing?
Alright, so sitting here and talking to myself for a minute, I've decided that I'm gonna get a little toothbrush and clean up this front cover, because this is the only part of the engine I really didn't get to clean up much, and that's the part y'all really gonna see, you know. So I'm gonna get a little toothbrush and some soap. I'm gonna clean up this. Oop. So we have since acquired a bucket of water and some Scotch-Brite, yeah, as well as a toothbrush, and we're gonna try and get this looking better. We're not gonna say perfect, but looking better for now.
That don't work.
So after a couple of minutes, I got a little bit frustrated at how much ground I've covered. So I've decided to just take off the valve cover and take off this front piece.
Hey guys, Chris Fix here, and today I'm going to show you what... Sorry.
Alright, so we scrapped that idea. We're gonna try and get under this car. But these jack stands, this side looks kind of fine still. Alright, I can't fit under here. Oh shit. That's way up there. So I'm gonna find my other two jack stand them. Moral of the story, even if you see things that come, why?
Why?
Even if you see things that bother you and I say, yo, you don't have to do that right now. Even if yourself I tell you, yo, you don't have to do that right now. Just do it. So I go jack up the car, you know. But here we go on. Now I need enough to watch that side for me in a car. You know like how that look? You see how that look? Now I go put it up on the ground so I can see it. I mean I go back for your big jack. I have to check in the car, I don't know if I watch for true. Alright, and this is how she looks for right now. Got a lot more space underneath, but I'm not a huge fan of how these drop points look. But I have to do what I have to do.
The next day.
Alright, so this is actually the next day, Sunday, and we hear someone car show going up at US, so me and Adrian are gonna check it out, so let's see what I go on feet. Is it? But this is the status of the car right now. We're gonna get back to it soon. Soon. I said again.
Yo, give me all the money, bro.
Okay. Alright, Adrian, say what's up to the car, right?
Yo, big up everybody, isn't it?
Beer darkness. Beer. Anyways, we're there. And this is what a part of it looks like. Just beer people. And beer car, bro. And beer nice. This Ford is calm still.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait. First of all, you're not gonna speed past that.
Oh yeah.
welcome back to the YouTube channel. Mike has lost in the crowd right now.
Almost everything.
Yeah, Yui Car Show. Come in, man, and catch piece of vlog, bro.
Bro, oh, you can see where you're recording, bro.
Yo, I know it's recording, dog. Come on, gang.
I just see this in a real life. Yo, can I handle it for a second, bro? I don't know if you can hear me still, you know, but there's shots fired. But
Jump!
done. Well, check out. What? Camera this. Done, please. Clean, bro. Right. Anyways, back to this. This wide body sedan, this sweet brother, come around and show the light the berry. Yeah, yeah man, this nice.
Why body look nice?
Please. Oh shit! I hope I caught that, bro. What the hell? Oh my god, this is crazy, guys. So we're not gonna move. What? Yeah! Clip of President Jeff here, you can check out him vlog them. Long time in the dark for link up and surprisingly we end up at the car show together. So you can check out him YouTube channel right there. Done.
Jump! Jump!
Alright, it is now 7:52. Make us see if. Wait.
Yo,
What you-
probably look real broke now for real.
Swag or something like that. What are your thoughts of the car?
Yo, I'm not gonna lie, my bro. Ricardo, shout out to him. He put on a significantly better car show, Run Road Co. Shout out to them on the video drop. Much better cars there. However, I like this. I like the Beamers. You know, I was there for the Audis, Streets. Very good overall, but not the best that I've been to, bro. Yeah, that's it.
Alright. So I got sidetracked by this event, so let me know if only think it did worth it. I don't know what to say about it. Some stuff I've seen, some stuff I haven't seen, and I think I've showed most of the stuff I haven't seen. So like, comment, and subscribe. Bro, close out the video, bro.
Yo, fully 6, fully Gaza.
Mad. Let me know it stay non-stop.